In this video, I'll show you how to build an item catalog in Square. First, sign in to your Square account and open the dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Items and Orders, then select Items to access your item catalog. Next, click Create Item to add your first product or service. Enter the item name, description, price, and assign it to the appropriate category. If you're selling physical products, you can also add in the SKU, barcode, and inventory information. After that, upload photos to make your items easier to recognize and create variations if needed, such as different sizes, colors, or styles. Configure taxes, modifiers, and any other options that apply to the item. Save the item once you've reviewed all of the details. Now continue adding the rest of your products to build a complete catalog. Organize your items into categories so they're easier to manage and quicker to find when processing sales. If you already have a large inventory, you can also import multiple items using Square's bulk import feature. Finally, review your completed catalog and make any necessary updates. Your items will be available for use with Square POS, online orders, and other connected Square services, making it easy to manage your inventory from one place. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build an item catalog in Square. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.